Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Nissan Qashqai Acenta Premium. This car comes with a 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 158 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 44 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle with a very low mileage of just over 12,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the pearlescent storm white and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. So you've got the nice clean interior. The fabric on the seats is in great condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in this centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features like I mentioned, the car also has cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so nice wide rear door opening, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats for example. The rear bench has lots of headroom and legroom, and the rear bench also has 3 individual seat belts. It's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Nissan as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've also got some extra storage there as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.